Guys, what's up? This is Theo here, and welcome back to Free Code Camp Lesson 13 on JavaScript algorithms and data structure, certification for basic JavaScript. We're going to be starting off with comparison with the greater than operator. So this is similar as it is in mathematics, compares the value of two numbers. Number on the left is greater than number on the right, returns true, otherwise it returns false. So add the greater than operator to the indicated line, and we'll say if line is greater than 10, right? And we're going to say if val is greater than 100. We'll go ahead and run these tests. This test suite, good to go. And number two, now we're going to do the greater than or equal. So we're going to say greater than or equal to 20, greater than or equal to 10. We're going to go ahead and run this. Good to go. Number three, less than operator. Same thing. So if it's less than 25, if it's less than 55, go ahead and run this. Number four, less than or equal to. Okay, so here we go. Less than or equal to 12 and less than or equal to 24. And finally, we'll go on to our last lesson, lesson 5, with the logical AND operator. So logical AND operator, 2 ampersands, returns true if and only if the operand to the left is right or true. Okay, with that, so combine the two if statements into one statement, which will return yes if val is less than or equal to 50 and greater than or equal to 25. So instead of doing this nested, right, we can do if val is less than or equal to 50 and val is greater than or equal to 25. Then we'll omit this nested conditional right here. Take that, clean that up a little bit, and we'll go ahead and run our test. To go. That's it, guys, for lesson 13. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to check out the courses in the description for React and JavaScript. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Take care.